Question number 7 deals with trigonometry. So we have a triangle ABC. It's always a good idea to be able to see the triangle. So ABC. So we know angle ABC, this angle is 0.5 radians. Remember in C2 this sector triangle thing, this is in radians. So we know that angle ACB, this angle is x radians. We know AC is 7 and we know AB is 8. This is all the information that we have. You have to find the, using the sine rule, you have to find this. So using sine rule, remember the sine rule says if you have a triangle, sine ratio of that angle divided by sine ratio of this angle divided by the opposite side equals to sine ratio of this angle divided by the opposite side. Now if you take a look here, angle ABC, I made a mistake. ABC should be this one. This is not ABC. This is ABC. 0.5. So sine x divided by the opposite side 8 equals to sine of 0.5 divided by the opposite side 7. This is the sine rule. Now we have to find the value of sine x. So sine x equals, if you multiply this with 8 into sine 0.5 divided by 7. Remember the 8 has to be written in front. This is the rule. So let's calculate this. Now one thing you have to remember, this is in the radian mode, so you have to convert this into the radian mode. So 2 is radian mode, so this is the radian mode now. So 8 times sine 0.5 divided by 7 is 0.5479. 0.5479 something, but the answer has to be in 3 decimal places. So the answer is sine x equals to 0.54, 7 becomes 8, 3 decimal places. Now remember, they didn't ask for x. This is a very common mistake. They asked for sine x. So sine x equals to this. Is given that there are 2 possible values of x. So remember in C2 there will be trigonometric solving. This is a solving equation. So if you have sine x equals to 0.548 and we have 2 values of x, we can do is solve this equation quadrant, solving a trigonometric equation. So sine positive first quadrant, second quadrant sine positive. So now basic angle, so x equals to arc sine or sine inverse of 0.548, and that is going to give us, remember this is in radian, this is very important, so radian mode. So we can do sine inverse of 0.548 and that is going to be 0.57997. 0.57997. So this is, these two are the basic angles. The first angle is going to be 0.57997 and the second angle is going to be, this is the first angle and this is the second angle. The second angle is going to be pi minus 0.57997 and that is going to give us, remember pi, so this is pi 3.142 minus this answer that we got, so that is going to be 2.5616. 2.5616. So we got 2 values, so the answer is going to be x equals to 2 decimal places. The first one is going to be 0.58, 7 becomes 8 because of 9, and the second one is going to be 2.56. Now you can either give this little c sign as radian, or even if you don't give it, that's fine as well.